Nature is declining globally at rates unprecedented in human history, and the rate of species extinctions is accelerating. For 25 years, Rainforest Rescue is focused on the forever protection of underprotected rainforest, and this works. We protect hundreds of hectares of biodiverse habitat. But we must do more. We must restore. Rainforest Rescue has identified a perfect site at 110 Cape Tribulation Rd to begin this new chapter. With 30 hectares of degraded land, it will once again become lush, thriving rainforest with your help. But for that restoration to happen, we need your continued partnership. We need your financial support. And with that support, we will create a place of climate-positive, rich, biodiverse land that shows the way forward for the region. And it's just in time.